now, today onwards, you'll be having smart board and all the teaching will be on the smart board. So that you can make the use of the smart board, smart classroom maximum as possible. And you can use also the internet whenever you are free, and you can watch the videos of different topics which are in your syllabus, also for the project work also, so that you can make the best project in our Kanpur place or in Goa as well as international level also. So best of luck, students. I am showing one video for you so that you can take the use of such things.
It's an electricity experiment as well as a standard and more practical. Let's begin. Connect the positive terminal of the battery with the positive terminal of the ammeter. Please note the red terminal is positive and the black one is a negative terminal. Please ensure that we connected to any one end of the unknown resistor whose value is fixed. Resistor is to be connected with these two terminals of the rheostat. Be connected to the terminal of the resistor through which the current leaves the resistor. In short, the voltmeter is always connected in parallel across. Here we go. Our circuit is ready.
Requesting the students of our institution to raise their voices in harmony and sing a warm welcome.
Jai
a cardiologist with a kind heart. I am very much delighted to announce that Dr. Purushottam Desai has just now sponsored a fees of 4 higher secondary students amounting to 5,000 per head. So total he has sponsored 20,000, that is a fees of 4 students for per academic year. So this scholarship he has promised to give for this year and in the future too. Sir, we are very much grateful for your kind gesture. I request everybody to please put your hands together once more. I request Mr. Shambha Naik Desai, Chairman of Managing Committee of CPI, to escort the chief guest for today's function, Shri Manoj Savekar Sir, Assistant Director of Education on the day. Requesting President of General Body of CPI, Mr. Rajen Desai Sir, to escort the guest of honor, Dr. Ajit Desai Sir, to the respective seat. I now request Mr. Ram Desai Sir, Vice President of Managing Committee of CPI, to escort Dr. Purushottam Desai on the day. Requesting Mr. Vinod Savan, Member of Managing Committee, to escort Shri Shantaji Naik Gaonkar Sir to his respective seat. Requesting Mr. Avin Naik Gaonkar Sir to escort Mr. Kamlakal Marshi Sir on the stage. Calling upon Mr. Gaurish Baideli, Joint Secretary of General Body, to escort Shri Manoj Desai Sir on the day. Requesting all other committee members to please occupy their seats on the day. Central Promoter Institute Sound is the first and foremost educational institution of Kanamana Taluka imparting education for the last 100 years. Our school is transforming into an innovative in synchronization with national education policy. The aim of our school is to develop latent talent in children and prepare them for challenges of the changing world through encouragement, self-discipline, high intellectual achievements and physical fitness. We believe in inculcating the values of trust, truth and triumph. It is an endeavor to make education purposeful, meaningful and enjoyable experience, ensuring excellence in curricular and co-curricular activities from nursery to higher secondary section. I would now like to invite Mr. Ramesh B. Komarpan Sir, Treasurer Managing Committee of CPI, to extend a warm welcome on behalf of CPI family.
नमस्कार, हांव रमेश बाबे कोमरपन तुमकां सगळ्यांक माये मोगाचो नमस्कार करता आनी सेंट्रल प्रमोटर इंस्टिट्यूट काणकोण हांच्या वतीन तुमकां माये मोगाचो येवकार दिता. आयच्या कार्यावळीक खासा उपस्थित आशिल्ले श्री मनोज सावेकर सर, असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन गोंय सरकार, मानाचे सोयरे डॉक्टर अजीत देसाई सर, तसेच डॉक्टर पुरुषोत्तम देसाई सर, आमचे माजी हेडमास्टर कात्याणी बाळासाहेब विद्यालय पोंफुले हांचे हेडमास्टर सांताजी सर, आमचे माजी विद्यार्थी सर्वानंद भरतकाय खिणाक पावपाचे आसात, पूण माजी विद्यार्थी मनोज नायक देसाई सर, आमचे पालक शिक्षक आनी माजी विद्यार्थी, तसेच आमचे बरे मागपी, आमकां आदार करपी तांचे आमी येवकार दितात. सगळे सरकार मूर्ती आजी माजी शिक्षक हांचे आमी येवकार दितात. काणकोणचे पत्रकार हांकांय आमी येवकारतात. त्या पयलीं जे माचे जे दोतोर आसात, दोतोर अजीत देसाई हाणें आमकां ही लायब्ररी स्पॉन्सर केला, इतल्यारूच ते थांबले ना. ताणें आपल्या इश्टांक सांगून आमकां स्मार्ट क्लासा खातीर भरपूर आदार केल्लो आसा. तशेंच दोतोर पुरुषोत्तम देसाय हाणें आयज गरीब भुरग्यां खातीर स्पॉन्सरशीप जाहीर केल्ली आसा. त्या खातीर आमी तेंचे चड उपकारी आसातच. पूण ज्या मोठ्या काळजान स्मार्ट क्लास आपल्याक दिवन सुद्दां दुसऱ्याक सांगून सुद्दां स्मार्ट क्लास आमकां दिवपाक प्रोत्साहन केलें. त्या खातीर दोतोर अजीत देसायचे आमी चडांत चड उपकारी. तशेंच दोतोर पुरुषोत्तम बाबाचे आमी चड उपकारी. आमच्या ह्या सभागृहांत क्षत्रीय मराठा समाजाचे अध्यक्ष आनी ताचे वांगडी पावले आसात. ताणें मुखार बसका घेवची हांव मागतां. आमचे हेडमिस्ट्रेस वर्षाकाय गांवकार हाणें हांकां मुसुवचें अशें मागतां. परत एक खेप सगळ्यांक माये मोगान आनी मनाक काळजांतल्यान येवकार दिवन म्हजी येवकारीक उलोवप सोंपयतां. देव बरें करूं.
I welcome Mr. Suhas Pallesai on the stage. On this occasion, we have with us well-renowned personalities who have immense stature and respect in their field. Requesting Ms. Anishka Pagi and Mr. Nathan Fernandez to introduce today's guest.
In moments like this, we are reminded of the power of connection and shared experiences. Today's gathering is a testament to the vibrant tapestry of ideas that comes to life when diverse minds converge. As we prepare to introduce our distinguished guests, let's embrace the anticipation of what unfolds when knowledge meets curiosity. A warm good morning to respected dignitaries on the days and off the days, faculty staff, parents, well-wishers, teachers, and dear students. Myself, Anishka Pagi, take this privilege to welcome today's guests. If you have knowledge, let others light their candles in it. It's a great privilege to speak about our esteemed chief guest, Sir Manoj B. Savekar, MSc B.Ed, Assistant Director of Directorate of Education. Sir started teaching career as a teacher grade 1 in 1998 at DN. Sir was promoted in 2013 as a headmaster to work at Government High School, Thane, Satare. 2015 to 2018, Sir worked as principal of Government High Secondary School, Sankhli. In 2018, Sir joined as Assistant Director of Education at Directorate of Education. Sir worked as a member of Board of Studies in Physics. Sir has also been Master Resource Person for School Leadership Program and Master Training of State Council, CEL. Respected Sir has also been academic team member for National and International Physics Olympiad under Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. Sir also coordinated number of national level conferences, especially in the field of science. We are blessed to have you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly introducing to you, respected Manoj B. Savekar, sir. I find immense pleasure in introducing our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Ajit Desai, sir, renowned international cardiologist and consultant. Dr. Ajit G. Desai, sir, is a consultant interventional cardiologist with the cardiological department at Sri H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital and Research Center. After completing MBBS and MD, Mr. Desai pursued a DM followed by DNB in cardiology. He also received training in international cardiology under Dr. Alain Cabillon at Cardiac Center, Rouen, France. Dr. Desai has a rich experience of 30 years in the field of pediatric and adult non-invasive and international cardiology. Dr. Desai is an international cardiologist at Jasluke Hospital, Breach Candy Trust Hospital and Guru Nanak Hospital. Earlier, he was an assistant honorary cardiologist at K.D. Bhama Municipal Hospital, Mumbai. Dr. Desai has served in the capacity of Assistant Professor in Cardiology at TN Medical College in the past. Sir has delivered several guest lectures at national and international conferences. He has also conducted workshops on interventional procedures in PTCA and rotablation. Sir has several national and international publications to his credit. Sir has also co-authored books of truly echocardiography and clinical cardiology. Sir has performed the first TAVI in Western India. I proudly introduce to you Dr. Ajit Desai sir. Please give him a huge round of applause. जीवनात यशाची शिखरे गाठताना मिळालेला काठीचा आधार म्हणजे शिक्षण. तर एक थोर शिक्षकाची आता मी तुम्हाला ओळख करून देते. श्री शांताजी नाईक गावकर सर हे किंदले काणकोण या गावातील सुपुत्र असून आमच्या या शाळेचे माजी विद्यार्थी आहेत. सरांचे 10वी पर्यंतचे शिक्षण श्री कत्यानी पाणेश्वर विद्यालय किल्ले या विद्यालयात झाले. त्यानंतर सरांची 11वीची श्री मल्लिकार्जुन विद्यालय 4 रस्ता येथे झाले. नंतर त्यांनी पुण्यात नरसोजी वादिया कॉलेजमधून रेडिओ मेकॅनिक डिप्लोमा कोर्स केला. त्यानंतर सरांनी गोवा सरकारच्या माहिती आणि पर्यटन खात्यात 4 वर्ष नोकरी केली. नोकरीच्या काळात त्यांनी थेम्पो कॉलेज पणजी येथे BA पदवीचे शिक्षण घेतले. त्यानंतर 1972 मध्ये सरकारी नोकरीला राजीनामा देऊन कत्यानी पाणेश्वर विद्यालयात सहाय्यक शिक्षक म्हणून काम केले. मराठी हा सरांचा अत्यंत आवडीचा विषय. 10वी व 12वीच्या वर्गांना त्यांनी मराठी विषयाचे अध्यापन केले आहे. शिक्षकी पेशात असताना भोपाळ विद्यापीठातून BEdची पदवी त्यांनी घेतली. तसेच शिवाजी विद्यापीठातून सरांनी MAची पदवी प्राप्त केली आहे. शिक्षकी पेशातून निवृत्त झाल्यानंतर श्री कात्यायनी पाणेश्वर विद्यालयाच्या कार्यकारी मंडळाचे अध्यक्ष म्हणून त्यांनी 12 वर्ष काम पाहिले. तसेच अनेक सामाजिक, शैक्षणिक, सांस्कृतिक चळवळीतही त्यांचा अनमोल सहभाग आहे. सर अजूनही अशा चळवळीमध्ये पुढाकार घेतात. तर आमच्या कार्यक्रमाच्या निमंत्रित पाहुणे म्हणून शांताजी नाईक गावकर सरांना एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होऊ द्या. आता हा वळून करून घेतले ते आमच्या सगळ्यांचे परिचयाचे. एक लेखक, संयोजक, आयोजक, नाट्य कलाकार अशा साबार कलेचे भंडार असलेले आमच्या शाळेचे माजी विद्यार्थी आणि आजच्या कार्यवळीचे खासिल्ले निमंत्रित सोयरे श्री कमळाकर म्हाळशी सर. सरांचा जन्म श्रीस्थळ काणकोण हांगा झालो. सरांनी मराठी, हिंदी आणि कोंकणी या विषयात MA केला. सरांनी जायत्या माध्यमिक शाळांनी आणि उच्च माध्यमिक शाळांनी तसेच 5 वर्सां उच्च माध्यमिक प्राचार्य म्हणून कार्य केला. आमच्या गोयची संस्कृताय, परंपरा, सण, उत्सव, पूर्वजांचे दायज सांभाळून दवरपाचे ते प्रयत्न त्यांची धडपड सदांच चालू असता. सरांच्या कार्यकिर्दीक लागून तांकां जायते राज्यस्तरीय इनाम तसेच राज्यस्तरीय पुरस्कार फावो जाल्या. तर आयज कार्यावळीचे खाशिल्ले निमंत्रित सोयरे श्री कमळाकर म्हाळशी सरांचे एकदा जोरान ताळयो देऊन आम्ही स्वागत करूया. Mrs. Anishka Patil, taking your lead.
It's indeed a beautiful morning and all are in a delighted frame of mind. Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed guests of honor, respected invitees, beloved invitees, dignitaries on the days, teachers, educationists, students, friends and loved ones. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around as I introduce you to the one and only Dr. Purushottam Desai, the heart magician at University Hospital, Birmingham. This man doesn't just wear a stethoscope. He practically has a love affair with hearts. Rumor has it, he can make a heart skip a beat just by walking into the room. Now Dr. Desai didn't choose the heart life. The heart life chose him. After surviving the rigorous training in the bustling centers of London and the West Midlands, he emerged as a cardiac superhero. He holds not one, but 2 prestigious accreditations in general internal medicine and cardiology, because saving hearts is a 24/7 job, folks. But it's not all seriousness for our hero. Oh no, he is a prize-winning charmer too. The Cardiac Society couldn't resist showering him with awards, probably because his heart is so big it needed its own trophy cabinet. In the grand spectacle of his career, Dr. Desai landed a starring role as a consultant in cardiology at Queen Elizabeth Hospital in 2010. His heart-shaped cake billowing in the wind, he took charge of the cardiological realm with a mission to conquer heart failure and mend broken hearts. And let's not forget, he is not just a heart whisperer, he is an educator too, teaching the next generation of heart enthusiasts at the University of Birmingham. Dr. Desai ensures that the heartbeat of knowledge keeps pounding. Specializing in everything from heart failure to valvular shenanigans, Dr. Desai is the go-to guy for all your heart-related queries. Whether your ticker needs a pep talk or your arteries need a pep rally, he has got it covered. So, the next time you feel a flutter or your heart goes on a solo jazz performance, fear not. Dr. Purushottam Desai is here to orchestrate the symphony of your cardiovascular health. Take a bow. Doctor, you have got our hearts in the palm of your hands. A charmer, a healer, with a heart so vast. Dr. Desai's prowess unsurpassed. So when your heart performs a rhythmic art, trust in him to play the perfect part. It's my honor to introduce a distinguished individual whose journey in civil engineering has been nothing short of remarkable. Graduating from Goa Engineering College for Magudi in 1994, our guest embarked on a transformative career with the Konkan Railway Corporation. From 1994 to 2003, as a senior technical assistant, he played a pivotal role in the execution and construction of the challenging Padi and Perne tunnels. Subsequently, from 2003 to 2009, our guest contributed significantly to the completion of the Konkan Railway project. Presenting before you, Shri Manoj N. Desai, ex-student and executive engineer, Konkan Railway Corporation. During the operational phase, his expertise shone as the station superintendent at Margao Railway Station. Here he managed day-to-day operations, engaged in commercial activities, and fostered public relations with railway customers. In 2010, a new chapter unfolded as our guest was posted to the challenging terrain of Jammu and Kashmir. Inspired by the success of the Konkan Railway Corporation, they spearheaded the prestigious Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link project, a testament to engineering excellence in the fragile Himalayan terrain. Notable among the project's achievement is the iconic Chenab Bridge, a symbol of their dedication to overcoming technical challenges. Various tunnels constructed under the project stand as a testament for their unwavering commitment. Currently serving as the executive engineer, our guest continues to lead the USVRL project, poised for completion in 2024. Please join me in welcoming an engineering visionary who has not only connected regions through railways but also left an indelible mark on the landscape of Indian infrastructure. And this is just a rhyme for him. In the realm of railways and tunnels bold, Manoj Desai, an engineer untold. From Boas College to Himalayan peak, a visionary whose achievements speak. I said it, this is yours truly, Nelvin.
Thank you, Ms. Anishka Pagi and Mr. Nelvin Fernandez. Just as each petal contributes to the color of a flower, may each one of us add to the beauty of this gathering. Requesting Mrs. Varsha Naik-Gaonkar, Headmistress of High School, to present a floral welcome to the chief guest of today's function, Shri Manoj Savekar sir. Inviting Mrs. Varsha Naik, Headmistress of Primary, to present floral welcome to the guest of honor, Dr. Ajit Desai sir. Requesting in charge principal of High Secondary, Mr. Vihar Desai sir, to present a floral welcome to the special invitee, Dr. Purushottam Desai. Inviting Mrs. Varsha Naik-Gaonkar to present a floral welcome to the special invitee, Shri Shantaji Naik-Gaonkar sir. Requesting Mrs. Varsha Naik to give a floral welcome to the special invitee, Mr. Kamlakar Malshi sir. Requesting Mr. Vihar Desai sir to present a floral welcome to special invitee, Shri Manoj Desai sir. I now request Mrs. Varsha Naik-Gaonkar to present a floral welcome to Mr. Suhash Pardesai sir. Thank you, teachers. A dynamic chairman of managing committee, Shri Shamba Naik Desai sir, and all the members of managing committee came up with a vision to expose students to technology. And I am proud to say that our chairman always remains true to his words. So this mission began to turn alive. Today, our institution has maximum number of smart classes in Kanagana Taluka. We also have an e-library which is also one of its own kind in the South District of Goa. We also have set up much sophisticated laboratories for the high secondary section. On 6 June 2023, we had already inaugurated 4 smart classrooms which our students are fruitfully utilizing today. I am very much delighted to announce that yesterday evening we have inaugurated 2 smart classrooms and today morning we have commenced 2 more classes. The classes which were inaugurated today morning were sponsored by Sri Chandrakant Ninu Bhagat in the memory of late Ninu Bhagat sir. The second class was sponsored by Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Mandal, Charasta, Kanpana. We extend a deep gratitude to the sponsors for their kind gestures. This initiative would not have been possible without the support and dedication of sponsors like them. Their commitment to the educational progress and innovation have paved the way for the exciting chapter in educational journey. I request everyone to please put your hands together for this sponsor. Advancing the program further, I would like to highlight the role of the felicities for today's function. Teachers, they play a pivotal role in the progress of an educational institution. Our former teachers were not only educators, but also the mentors who had shaped the students' character, fostering the intellectual curiosity, contributing to the significantly overall academic achievement of the school. The most awaited moment has now arrived to felicitate our own teachers who have served this institution for past 100 years. Everyone has given their share in the progress of this institution. Requesting Mrs. Gauri Desai to take over for the felicitation.
Thank you, Ma'am Shamia. शुभ सकाळ. पदोपदी पसरून निखारे आपल्याच हाती, होवो निया बेभान धावले आपल्या देहासाठी. कधी न थांबले विश्रांती स्तव, पाहिले न मागे त्यांच्या नकळत त्यांनी विणले यशो कीर्तीचे धागे. पोर्तुगीजांच्या गुलामगिरीत सुद्धा ताठ कण्याने निर्भयतेने शिक्षण आणि जगण्याची दिशा शिकवणारे शिक्षकही तेवढेच होते. त्यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना फक्त शिकवलं नाही तर घडवलं. म्हणून तर गुलामगिरीतून मुक्त होतात शिक्षणाचा प्रसार आणि प्रचार संपूर्ण प्रदेशात झाला. त्याला कानपूर तालुका सुद्धा अपवाद नव्हता. I myself, Gauri Desai, feel proud and honored to introduce our former teachers who have played an essential role since pre-independence period. Education, the most powerful tool to change world future. Today, we all are gathered to recall, to remember, and to honor the torch barriers of this transformation, our cherished educators. A heartwarming tribute to the guiding lights of education. Let us honor the former teachers of Sri Mallikarjun Vidyalaya who brought revolutionary change, Kranti, during the pre-independence period under Portuguese rule. Now I invite the representative of former teachers to accept the honor. First on the list we have late Professor Shivarai Dalal. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next, late Professor Digambar Nagarsekar. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next, late Professor Bhiku Y. Naik-Gaonkar. Audience, please put your hands together. Next, we have late Professor Pandurang V. Naik-Gaonkar. Next, we have late Professor Donito Fernandez, the ex-student of this institution. Next, late Professor Bernard Gracious. Next, late Professor Vasant G. Desai. I request the representative, please step forward towards the stage. Next, we have late Professor Mangesh Prabhu Desai Boruskar. Next, late Sri Manjunath Das Kamat. Next, Sri Kanta S. Baldeli. Now I request our today's chief guest, Sir Manoj Savaikar sir, to do the honor. शिक्षण ज्या भाषेतून दिली जाते ते भाषेला शिक्षणाचे माध्यम म्हटले जाते. सामान्यतः स्थानिक भाषा हेच तेथील शिक्षणाचे माध्यम असते. CPI या संस्थेमध्येही असे शिक्षक होऊन गेले ज्यांनी मराठी आणि इंग्रजी भाषेतून आपल्या ज्ञानदानाचे योगदान दिले. Now I invite next former teachers, late Shri Shanti V. Gaonkar. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Late Shri Narayan B. Bhagat. Late Srimati Pushpa B. Bale. Audience, please put your hands together. Late Shri Narba B. Naik Gaonkar. Late Shri Kamlakar K. Desai. Next, Shri Anant S. Gaonkar. I request our chief guest, Sir Manoj Savaikar sir, to do the honor. To our cherished educators, I request sir to come forward towards the stage. Late Srimati Sunila L. Nagarsekar. Next we have Shri Gajanan Desai. Next, Srimati Lata Kadam. Next we have Shri Ganesh and Salkar. Next, Shri R.Y. Naik. Next, late Shri Apaji M. Desai. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next, late Shri Suresh B. Desai. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next, late Shri Manuel Gracious. I request sir to step forward towards the stage. Next, late Shri Mahadev Sutar. Next, late Shri Yashwant Naik Gaonkar. Late Shri Shivanand Desai. I request men to step forward towards the stage. Now I request our today's guest of honor, Dr. Ajit Desai sir, to do the honor. Audience, please put your hands together. You all are future nation builders, so put your hands together for the foundation stone who are sitting on the stage. Next we have late Srimati Mamta and Naik Gaonkar. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next, late Shankar Lloyd Desai. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Shri Kashinath F. Desai. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next we have late Shri M.R. Rani. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Next we have widows Shri Pramod and Rani. So, please step forward towards the stage. Shri Babu P. Raikar. Next we have Srimati Louisa Gracious. Next, Shri Ramnath request our guest of honor, Dr. Ajit Desai sir, to do the honor. Please put your hands together. We have with us Sri Suresh J. Rani. So, please come forward. Next, Srimati Akalpita Rao Desai. Ma'am, please come forward. Next, Sri Pratap P. Rani. So, please come forward. Next, Sri Prakash Naik. Sri Ashok Kumar Desai. Next, Srimati Kaitana Fernandez. Ma'am, please come forward. Next, Srimati Pramita Bhaireli. Next, Srimati Avanti J. Naik Doctor. Ma'am, please come forward. I now request our special invitee, Dr. Purushottam Desai sir, to do the honor. Malini Parik. Ma'am, please come forward towards the stage. Next, Srimati Daiguna J. Korea. Sri Sarveshwar Bhaireli. Next, Srimati Shital Pawar. Ma'am, please step forward towards the stage. Next, Srimati Amita B. Naik. Next, Sri Anant N. Gaukar. Ma'am, please step forward towards the stage. Now I request our special invitee, Sri Kamalakar Halshi sir, to do the honor. Raghuba Naidgaonkar, the ex-student of Sri Mallikarjun Vidyalaya, so has secured double MA degree, MPhil degree, LLM, MA, so had 45 years teaching experience from secondary to higher secondary and college level, 14 awards for best teaching, 2 national level, 5 state level, 7 local level. So had published 226 articles in Govindak, Udhari, Tarun Bharat and Navaprabha. So was declared as the best all-round student of Sri Mallikarjun Vidyalaya by Lions Club Margaon in year 1967-68. So was married scholar throughout the educational career. Please give me one huge round of applause. Next we have with us Shri Ashok Kurgaonkar sir, the first phase of CPI's building constructor. I request the representative of sir to step forward towards the stage. So has declared an amount of rupees 1 lakh as a donation to the institution. A huge round of applause to sir. Shri Ashok Kurgaonkar sir was the constructor of first phase of CPI building. So once again, please give him a huge round of applause. Now I request our next special invitee, Shri Shantaji Naidgaonkar sir, to do the honor.
Sir. Sir.
I request all the dignitaries for a photograph.
सन्माने मुद्दम सांगायला की या संस्थेत जे आदली शिक्षक असे कोणाचे चुकयना की बाबा तांगेलें नाव कळचें न्हू हे शिक्षक आले आनी त्याच प्रमाणे मुद्दम उलोवपाक की कोरगांवकर हो जो कोरगांवकर आपल्या शब्दाचो तागेल्या बापान ही ओल्ड बिल्डींग उगडी टायमार बांदली संस्थेन ताजी सुद्दां तागे बापायल्या कामाची याद करून आमची रिकॉर्डां ताजें नांव मेळ्ळें ताजे भुरग्याक पळयलें आनी तो मुद्दम आज आयलो आतां ताणें की डोनेट केलें ताजें मत ताजी वळखण पूण अशें आसा की बाबा संस्थेन कांय लोकांक विचारना येना कांय जाण चुकून उरूंक जाय त्या खातीर आमी समज कोण आसा ताका आमी सोडना देव.
Thank you, sir. Effective management contributes to the efficient use of resources and achievement of desired goals. Administrative subordinates play a crucial role in adopting the change and achieving the desired goals. Let us now honor the retired non-teaching staff of Sri Mallikarjun Vidyalaya. Late Molu Mazalkar. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Late Shri Pedro Fernandez. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Late Shri Gana L. Komarpan. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Late Shri Shivanand R. Gaonkar. Late Shri Ganrai V. Bhagat. Next, Shri Prabhakar Naik. I request so. Next, Shri Manjunath Bandekar. So, please come forward towards the stage. Next, Shri Chandrakant Bhagat. Now I request our special invitee, Manoj Desai sir, to do the honor. Audience, please give them a huge round of applause. Now I invite Shri Chandrakant Bhagat. So, please step forward towards the stage. Srimati Yogini Bhagat. Next, late Shri Sushant Komarpan. I request the representative to step forward towards the stage. Last but not the least, late Maya Bhatikar. Suhas Paldesai sir to do the honor. आमचा कोटी कोटी प्रणाम. Over to teacher Shamia.
Thank you, Gauri teacher. Congratulations to all the felicities for your well-deserved recognition for your hard work and dedication towards this institution. We are highly delighted to have with us well-dignified personalities on stage. Let us take this moment to listen to the word of wisdom from them. Requesting the special invitee, Dr. Purushottam Desai sir, to share his insight.
आजचे प्रमुख पाहुणे, व्यासपीठावरील मान्यवर आणि उपस्थित जनावर. माझ्या शाळेत येणं चालूच असतं म्हणून जास्त काय बोलणार नाही. एखादी संस्था 100 वर्षे फक्त टिकते नव्हे तर खेड्यातील खडतर प्रतिकूल परिस्थितीत अत्यंत प्रगती करून डोळे मिटवण्यासारखे यश मिळवते ही अत्यंत अभिमानाची गोष्ट आहे. गेल्या 5-6 वर्षात शाळेत एक फरक मी पण बघितला आहे. 5 वर्षापूर्वी मी आलो तेव्हा मला सांगितलं होतं की शाळा आजकाल फक्त मायग्रंट मजूरच्या मुलावर चालते. पण कालच्या बक्षीस समारंभात मी बघितलं की बहुतेक आता गावचीच मुलं येत आहेत आणि हा बदल लक्षात घेण्यासारखा आहे. आपली शाळा ही अजून 2 संस्थांची सरोगेट मदर आहे. इथंच 2 शिक्षण संस्थेचा जन्म झाला. एक होतं गव्हर्नमेंट हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल आणि दुसरं मल्लिकार्जुन कॉलेज. ह्या दोन्ही संस्थांनंतर स्वतंत्रपणे भरभराटीला आल्या. मला आल्यानंतर सांगितलं होतं विजिटर बुकमध्ये लिहा म्हणून आणि मी नकार दिला. कारण मनापासून मला वाटतं मी इथे विजिटर नाही आहे, मी इथला आहे. शाळेत शिकताना आता गणांच्या नातवानं सत्कार स्वीकारला. शाळेत शिकताना आमचा अत्यंत आनंदाचा दिवस असायचा. 2 स्टाफ गणाधिमानंदा बुक घेऊन यायचे आणि त्याच्यावर लिहिलेलं असायचं ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ द स्कूल विल रिमेन क्लोज फॉर 4 days and we will open as usual on this day. हा आमचा अत्यंत आनंदाचा दिवस असायचा. शाळेबरोबरचे संबंध आमचे बहुत अत्यंत ऋणानुबंधाचे आहेत. आम्ही सगळे इथे शिकलो. आमचे वडील इथं प्रेसिडेंट होते, अनेक नातेवाईक इथे शिक्षक होते आणि हे ऋणानुबंध नेहमी वाढतच राहणार. नमस्कार.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Shri Shantaji Naik Gaonkar sir to address the gathering.
कार्यक्रमाला बराच उशीर झाला आहे आणि लांबच गेलेला आहे. व्यासपीठावर बसलेले सगळे मान्य नावं घेत नाही आणि माझ्यासमोर बसलेले उपस्थित शिक्षक, पालक, विद्यार्थी आणि मंत्री. खरं म्हणजे बरंच बोलायचं होतं पण आता बोलायला वेळही नाही आणि ते ऐकण्याच्या मनस्थितीमध्ये पण आपण नाही. एकच गोष्ट सांगतो. सर्वप्रथम मी ह्या सध्याच्या संस्था चालकांचं अभिनंदन करतो आणि त्याचबरोबर ज्यांनी संस्था स्थापन केली त्या सगळ्यांचं स्मरण करतो. एक काव्यपंक्ती आहे, वृक्ष लावणारे निघोनी या जाती, वृक्ष लावणारे निघोनी या जाती, तळी विसावती सान थोर. दुसरी एक काव्यपंक्ती आहे, स्वातंत्र्यासाठी आम्ही काय केलं, पूर्वज श्रमले तयासाठी. हे सगळं पूर्वजांनी जे काय केलेलं आहे, संचित केलेलं आहे ते आम्ही भोगतो आहोत. मी शिक्षक म्हणून एक गोष्ट मुद्दाम सांगतो. मी काही तसा शिक्षक तज्ञ वगैरे नाही, फार मोठा शिक्षकही नाही, परंतु शिक्षकांच्या बाबतीत एक गोष्ट मला आवर्जून सांगावी लागते. शिक्षक हा बहुश्रुत असावा, शिक्षक हा बहुवाचनीय असावा. हे गंमत म्हणून सांगतो. मी ज्या काठ्यानी बाणेश्वर विद्यालयामध्ये शिकलो, शिक्षक झालो, मुख्याध्यापक झालो, मुख्याध्यापक म्हणून मी निवृत्त झालो. काही वेळेला शिक्षक असेही मी पाहिले, इंटरव्ह्यूला आलेले, मुलाखतीसाठी आलेले. एका मुलाखतीसाठी आलेल्या त्यांनी मी सहज प्रश्न केला, 4 परदेशांची नावं सांग. मराठीतून विचारलं, 4 परदेशांची नावं सांग. कारण त्याने काय उत्तर द्यावं, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश वगैरे वगैरे. अशा प्रकारचे शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना काय शिकवणार. म्हणजे शिक्षकाला सर्वसामान्य ज्ञान आलं पाहिजे. आणि मी तर असं मानतो, मी संस्थाला अवसर नसतो, शिक्षक हे फक्त विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवण्यापुरतेच नसावे. 1 1 2 2 4 4 2 8 8 2 16 असं नसावं. तर शिक्षकाने विद्यार्थ्यांना घडवलं पाहिजे, सुबुद्ध सुसंस्कृत नागरिक तयार केलं पाहिजे. हे काम आजचे शिक्षक करतात की नाही मला माहीत नाही, पण पूर्वीचे शिक्षक करायचे. मी मुद्दाम नारायण मास्तरांची प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आठवण करतो. नारायण मास्तर ज्यांनी मला शिकवलं, ज्यांच्या हाताखाली मी काम केलं, ज्यांचं मार्गदर्शन मला लाभलं आणि त्यांच्यामुळं मी थोडाफार शिक्षक कसा असावा हे शिकलो.
मला खूप काहीतरी बोलायचं होतं ह्या प्रसंगी, पण वेळेचं भान ठेवून मी इथं थांबतो. काही गोष्टी अशा आता मला एक शेवटी अनेक दात्याने इथं दिलं, भरभरून दिलं संस्थेला. डॉक्टर अजित देसाईंनी दिलं, डॉक्टर पुरुषोत्तम देसाईंनी दिलं. आता ते जे एक कोरगावकर म्हणून बिल्डर आले होते त्यांनी दिलं. देणारे पुष्कळ असतात, पण देणाऱ्यांकडून आपण त्यांचा गुण घ्यावा. एक कविता आठवते, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. हिरव्या पिवळ्या माळा करून हिरवी पिवळी शाल घावी, सह्याद्रीच्या कड्या करून छाती घाल घ्यावे. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे. हात घ्यावे म्हणजे त्या देणाऱ्याचा दातृत्व हा जो गुण आहे तो आपण घेतला पाहिजे. अशी वृत्ती थोड्यामध्ये असते. काही लोकांना संपत्ती पुष्कळ असते, पण संपत्तीचं दान करण्याची जी वृत्ती आहे ती वृत्ती माणसाला असायला पाहिजे. पुष्कळ काही बोलावं वाटतं नाही, बोलत नाही, कारण बराच वेळ झालेला आहे. जरा हा कार्यक्रम थांबलेला आहे. मी खूप थांबतो आणि सर्वांना धन्यवाद देतो. सर्वांना नमस्कार.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. We shall now hear from special invitee Shri Manoj Desai, sir.
आज आम्ही सगळे एक झाल्याचा अंदाज. या शाळेत 100 वर्सां झाली आणि शाळा प्रिझर्व करून दवरली. जाणट्यांनी घेऊन आता मातशे बसले, तुम्ही सगळे एक झाले. सगळ्यांच्या कॉन्ट्रिब्युशनान वी आर हियर अँड वी हॅव स्टडीड हियर. And after SSC we have gone out as 12, 11, 12. I did my engineering and I have joined railways. I did a lot of work in Konkan Railway here. Now at present I am posted in Jammu and Kashmir. What is necessary for a life is the patience and tolerance. Two tools. कोणी रागान कितें म्हणलें जाल्यार तुरंत राग येवचो न्हू, पेशन्स आनी दुसरें टॉलरन्स. दुसरें आतां हांव सांगता जाल्यार आय एम अ कम्युनिकेटर. And you people are listener, so you should be both way. I should be better communicator as well as listener. हांव सांगता तें तुमकां समजूंक जाय, तूं सांगता तें म्हाका कळपाक जाय. जाल्यार पयलींचे टिचर आमकां म्हळ्यार पयलींचे आतां जाणटे टिचर बसून ना, सगळे मेळ्ळे. ते जॉयन एट एंगेज अँड फॉर 4 decades म्हळ्यार सादारण 30-40 वर्सां नोकरी करतात. आतां जाणटे जाले ते, आतां सगळ्या तांकां भोवमान दिलो ना, तांचो रेस्पेक्ट दिलो. आतां नेण्टे भुरगे येयला जाल्यार तेमी कम्युनिकेशन, लिसनिंग, पेशन्स अँड टॉलरन्स इट इज एवरीवेअर रिक्वायर्ड इन युअर सोसायटी, घरा कडेन, कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्डान. इफ यू गो टू द फॉरेन कंट्री, these 4 tools are very much necessary to show you are the better citizen of India, better human being, better family member. These are the tools which is very much required. बाकी सगळे तुज्या फाटल्यान आसा, समजलो? बाकी सगळे आता म्हणून साहेबा मल्लिकार्जुना म्हण मल्लिकार्जुनाचो एक पेंटींग केलें. दिस इज सिव्हिल इंजिनियरींग स्ट्रक्चर अँड ऑल द पीपल हियर हॅव गॅदर्ड अँड दे प्रेझेंटेड दॅम. टुडे good presentation is required in corporate world. Good presentation means you should dress up neatly, you should walk neatly, you should go to the neat school, you should go to the neat hospital, you should go to the neat cinema theatre. All this required by the contribution of citizen of India. And this our present Prime Minister struggling hard. Have you heard about the railways? These day by day airports are going to the international standard. Railway platforms are going to the international standard. आमचे डॉक्टर आसा दोन भाव ते बऱ्यान काम करता. तांकां भितरल्यान उमेद जाली की आमकां इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्ड जाय. सो दे एसोसिएटेड हियर विथ अस. दे केम डावन फ्रॉम द फॉरेन कंट्री जस्ट टू मेक यू रियलायज वी कॅन डू इट. ड्रीम कम्स ट्रू म्हणटाले आमी. कोंकण रेल्वे पयलीं चलताली तेन्ना पयलीं एस्कलेटर मारलो तेन्ना दिसतालें जावचें ना म्हणून. तेन्ना कोण मारतलो एस्कलेटर घाटार. आमचे मारले तेन्ना नाव रेल्वे खुशी. नाव last 12 years I am in Jammu and Kashmir. We are drilling underground tunnels for about 70% that project, mega project is going below the blocks. And we have constructed that rail line to connect rest of India with the Kashmir valley so that peace and prosperity. That should be example. समाजी धाकटेशें example दिता. आमी गांवांत आमी सिव्हिल इंजिनियर आमी गांवांत टनल करूं वयता जाल्यार आमकां रोड जाय पडटा. टू कॅरी आउट द मॅन मटेरियल अँड मशिनरी करते. तर आम्ही रोड करताले 200 किलोमीटर रोड केलो आमी. प्रत्येक 1 किलोमीटर केला न्हू जाल्यार थिंगा कोण मेळटा तांचो भूमिपुरूश ग्रामदेवानी क्षेत्रपाल. We just pray to it and our excavator moves on. That way we take the project to the logical end. This is one of the things. हांवें सांगलां न्हू तें आयकून सगळें येयलें आसतलें. तुमच्या लायफान मातशें यूज केलें न्हू घरा कडेन हे टूल्स जाल्यार बेटर सिटीजन बेटर स्टुडंट. आतां स्मार्ट हें लायलां स्मार्ट क्लासरूम लायले. टिचरूय स्मार्ट जाय स्टुडंटूय स्मार्ट जाय. कितें जाता 40 स्टुडंट आसा न्हू तातूंतल्यान 20 हें कळटा ऑनलायन कशें बरें करपाचें जाल्यार त्या 20 स्टुडंटांक वाजून बसले ताका शिकोवपाक जाय. बाबा इन्वेस्ट केल्लें आसता म्हाका 20 पाडी जाल्यार तूं 25 करतलें म्हणून समजवा. जस्ट ट्रिगर युअर नेबर फॉर अ बेटरमेंट ऑफ द सोसायटी and this society will be a nice place to live in. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable advice. Let us take this privilege to hear from guest of honor of today's function, Dr. Ajit Desai, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected people on the dais, the chief guest, Mr. Manoj Savaikar, my friend and colleague, Dr. Desai, and the President Chandra Desai, and the other dignitaries on the dais. Well, what started in the morning, the function is continuing in the afternoon, but I'll try to be as short as possible so that you are relieved of the agony of listening to advices from all of us. You know, friends, at the outset I must compliment the managing committee of this particular institution. They have done a fabulous job, absolutely a fabulous job over the last couple of years. And they have taken this particular institution to a different level, completely to a different level. Now, how do I come in association with this particular institution? I must tell you that my father was way back the president of this particular great institution. Then my uncle, Mr. Vittal Desai, was the then my cousin Vikas Desai, and now my other cousin Dhilan also is closely associated with this particular institution. And I am extremely proud that they are involved with this wonderful institution which has been there for the last 100 years. A word of appreciation to the management for having felicitated all the teachers, because they are the backbone of the society. All the teachers, those who are in the past and now. And I see a set of teachers today in this particular institution who are extremely dedicated. And let me tell you that we used to think that medical profession is the noble profession. But I think the teacher's profession is much higher than what we are. So all compliments to you, and I should continue teaching them to whatever best you can. As I said, that you have changed the entire complexion of this particular institution. And over the years, with the benefit of teachers, how good they have been is reflected in one man who has passed out from this particular institution, and that is my friend Dr. Desai. See what level he has come up, because he got a sound foundation in this particular school about his education, and then went on to do his medical and future education, and then excelled in this. Also at the same time, I would like to say that if you have any certain projects which are coming up, I will definitely be there to help you out. And at this particular juncture, I will promise you that I will give you a sum of another 10 lakh rupees for the betterment of this institution. So thank you very much for inviting me. I am honored, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. The long anticipated movement to attend the address of our chief guest is arrived. Let me invite on stage Shri Manoj Savaikar sir to address the gathering.
नमस्कार. व्यासपीठार आजच्या ह्या सेंटेनरी कार्यक्रमात उपस्थित असलेले या संस्थेचे माजी विद्यार्थी आणि ज्यांनी आपल्या कर्तृत्वाची छाप जगाच्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांत दाखविली आसात, सोडलेली आसात, असे सगळे आयचे विद्यार्थी, दिल्लीकरेश, संस्थेचे सभासद, संस्थेचे चेअरमॅन, म्हज्या फुडल्यान बशिल्ले सगळे मान्यवर आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणात 1.5 वर्स जाल्या उपरांत सुद्धा उपस्थित आशिल्ले आयचे विद्यार्थी, शतक महोत्सवी वाटचालीक खूब खूब शुभेच्छा. तशें पळयल्यार एखाद्या संस्थेची 100 वर्सां ही तशी कमीच, पूण गोवा मुक्तीच्या पयलींच्यान सुरू आशिल्ल्या ह्या संस्थेन आनी मागीर प्रयत्नांतल्यान आयज सगळें जें एकूणच जें सगळें चित्र दिसता, चित्र म्हणटा आसतना केवळ ही बिल्डींग म्हणना, केवळ बिल्डींग न्ही तर ताचे पेक्षा हांगा बसून ह्या संस्थेंतल्यान उदयाक आयिल्ल्या म्हाज्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या एकूण जीवन दर्शनांतल्यान ह्या एकूण संस्थेचो जो कार्यभाग आसलेलो तांच्या कामाची एकूण हें आशिल्ली ती लक्षांत येता. त्यांनी व्यक्त केल्ली कृतज्ञता, जाच्या अंतर्गत अगदी सुरवाती पासून जे शिक्षक म्हणून हांगा राविल्ले तांचो सत्कार सन्मान, शिक्षक आसतले, शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी आसतले, त्यामुळे एखाद्या संस्थेच्या वाटचालीचो जो शाप आसा तो ह्या सगळ्या कार्यक्रमांतल्यान लक्षांत आयला. खंयचीय संस्था उबी जातना ताचे घटक आसतात, ते घटक शिक्षक आसतले, शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी आसतले, पूण ताच्या पेक्षा तातूंतल्यान घडणारे विद्यार्थी आनी त्या विद्यार्थ्यांची दशा आनी दिशा हे पळयतना लक्षांत येता. खूब बरें दिसता की एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन संलग्न आसलेली एक संस्था मल्लिकार्जुन ही जी संस्था आसा ती ह्या 100व्या वर्सा पूर्ण करताना स्मार्ट जाता. स्मार्ट बोर्डाचे आनी संस्थेंतल्यानूच वयर सरलेले जे घटक आसतले, जे विद्यार्थी, माजी विद्यार्थी आसतले, जे वेगवेगळ्या जाग्याचेर आयज स्थानापन्न जाल्यात, तांच्या सहकार्यांतल्यान संस्थेन काम करपी आसा तांच्या सहकार्यांतल्यान ही संस्था स्मार्ट जाता. खूब बरी गजाल आसा, खूब उलयता, पूण एक पिढी फुडें सरतना दुसरी पिढी हांगा फुडल्यान बसल्या, तांच्या फुडल्यान म्हाज्या शब्दा पेक्षा तांचें जीवन हेंच एक बरें उदाहरण आसा. तांच्या जिवनांतल्यानूच अनेक गोश्टी घेण्यासारक्यो आसात, तांच्या अनुभवांतल्यान खूब गोश्टी घेण्यासारक्यो आसात, त्यो ह्या फुडें सरपी विद्यार्थ्यांनी घेवच्यो. तशें तांणी म्हटलें, मनोज देसाय हांणी म्हटलें की यू हॅव टू बी स्मार्ट इन दीस कमिंग ग्रोईंग वर्ल्ड. आमी केवळ काणकोणा पुरते ग्रो जावंक शकना, आमकां जगा खातीर ग्रो जावचें पडटलें. ती आव्हानां खूब वाडलेली आसात, कारण लोकसंख्या 140 कोटीचेर पावल्या. आयज केवळ 12वी जाल्ल्या भुरग्यां फुडल्यान अनेक डायरेक्शन्स आसात, पूण त्या डायरेक्शनाचेर प्रत्येक पावलाचेर तुमकां तुमचे अनेक वांगड्यांचे कॉम्पिटिशन आसात. त्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्या भितून उबे रावतले जाल्यार यू हॅव टू बी मल्टी स्किल्ड, आणि अशा पद्धतीच्या स्मार्ट इन्स्टिट्यूशनांतल्यान तुमी नक्कीच मल्टी स्किल्ड जातले हाची अपेक्षा बाळगता. म्हाका ह्या वेळार हांगा आपयलो, म्हाका खूब आय एम ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर टू एंटिसिपेट, टू विटनेस दीस सेंटेनरी इयर सेलिब्रेशन. फुडल्या वाटचालीक 200व्या वर्साच्या वाटचालीक, कारण संस्था ही चिरंजीव आसची, तेथे व्हडलें सगळो व्याप फाटल्या 100 वर्सांनी उबो केला, तो असोच ग्रो जावचो, वर्धिष्णू जावचो, अश्यो शुभेच्छा दिता आमी.
A memento presentation holds a significance as a gesture of gratitude, and it serves as a tangible expression of appreciation, which goes beyond words, creating lasting reminder of bond of kindness shared. Requesting Chairman of Managing Committee to present a memento to the Chief Guest of today.
मातशे कार्यक्रमात चेंजीस करपाक आयलो आसा की डॉक्टर अजीत हाचो आमी सांजे सत्कार दवरलो CMच्या हातीन, पूण तो आतां अर्जंट वचपा जाय, ताचे 2-3 पेशंट बॉम्बे हे जाले आसात आनी ताणें फ्लायटाची तिकीट आसा म्हणटकीर तो म्हणपाक सांजचो कसो आपणाक रावपाक मेळना. म्हणजे आमच्या चॅरमॅनाक रिक्वेस्ट केलो की आतांच ताजो आमी सत्कार करया आनी तोय बी दुसऱ्या काळजाच्या दोतोरा हातीन एक काळजा दोतोर. आनी आज म्हाका सांगपाक खूब अभिमान वाटता की आज आमची ह्या माचयेर स्टेजीर इंडियेचे न्ही तर जगांतले 2 मोठे काळजाचे दोतोर हांगा प्रेजेंट आहात. आनी तातूंत हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता डॉक्टर पुरुषोत्तम देसाय की ताणें डॉक्टर अजिताचे सत्कार करता.
Requesting Mr. Ram Desai sir to present a memento to a special invitee, Dr. Purushottam Desai. Requesting Mr. Suraj Bhairade sir to present a memento to Shri Shantaji Naik Gaonkar sir. I request Mr. Vinod Sawant sir to present a memento to Shri Kamlakar Malshi sir. I now request Mr. Amit Naik Gaonkar sir to present a memento to Shri Manoj Desai sir. Thank you sir. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. It can turn a meal into feast, a house into home, a stranger into a friend. Inviting Ms. Rutunja Pagi to present gratitude as we are moving towards the concluding part of the event. 100 years of excellence, honoring our past, creating our future. Namaskar, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First of all, let me give a glory to our Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. On behalf of CPI family, I would like to thank today's chief guest, Shri Manoj Sawekar sir, for accepting our invitation and being with us this morning. Thank you sir for your presence and valuable insight that you have shared with us. Your thoughts have truly inspired us. I extend my gratitude for today's guest of honor, Dr. Ajit Desai sir, for showing your love by being with us and sharing your thoughts with us. I would also like to extend special thanks to our invitee for today's function, Dr. Purushottam Desai sir, Mr. Shantaji Naik Gaonkar sir, Mr. Manoj Desai sir, Shri Kamlakar Malshi sir, Shri Suhas Desai sir. Thank you sir, your presence has added immense value to our today's event. My heartfelt thanks to all the well-wishers, Mr. Chandrakant Neelu Bhagat sir, in the memory of his father, late Shri Neelu Ranu Bhagat, Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Mandal, 4 Rasta, Kanpur, Goa, for their valuable contribution in sponsoring smart classrooms. I thank all the felicities and renowned alumni for accepting the invitation and gracing the occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the chairman of Centenary Committee, Engineer Vikas Desai sir, and his team for overall support and guidance. A special thanks to the President of General Body Committee of CPI, Mr. Rajan Desai sir and his team. Vice President of General Body, Mr. Samrat Desai sir. Secretary, Mr. Suraj Bhairade sir.
and Joint Secretary Mr. Gaurish Baireli sir, for their hard work and valuable contribution for the upliftment of the institution. On this occasion, a special gratitude to our dynamic and enthusiastic leader, the chairman of our institution, Shri Shamba Naik Desai sir, who has always been the backbone of our upliftment of our success. I would like to thank all the members of Managing Committee, Vice President Mr. Ram Desai sir, Secretary Mr. Pundalik Naik Gaonkar sir, Joint Secretary Mr. Vinod Sawant sir, Treasurer Mr. Ramesh B. Komarpan sir, Member and Manager of Primary Section Mr. Aviv Naik Gaonkar sir, Sir Premanand Naik Gaonkar and Mr. Achiket Desai sir, Member and Manager of High Secondary Section Shri Pramod Rani sir, for spending their precious time and gracing this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, I extend my gratitude to President and Executive Members of General Body Committee for their valuable contributions. On this occasion, I would like to take an opportunity to thank PTA Chairmen of all the three sections, Shri Anil Desai sir from Primary Section, Mr. Satish Desai sir from Secondary Section, Mr. Suchindra Desai sir from Higher Secondary Section, and also members of all the three sections for their encouragement and support. My heartfelt thanks to Advisory Committee, special thanks to all the respected heads of all the three sections, in charge Headmistress Mrs. Varsha Naik from Pre-Primary and Primary Section, Headmistress Mrs. Varsha Naik Gaonkar from High School Section, Sir Bihar Desai, in charge Principal of High Secondary Section, who has always been a serving pillar of our strength. Ladies and gentlemen, a special word of appreciation to all the parents and well-wishers for their constant support and commitment. I owe a gratitude to our teaching and non-teaching staff for their constant support and their cooperation. We have worked hard to ensure that this event becomes a great success. I thank the members of media for investing the interest and their excellent coverage. On behalf of the institution, a big thanks to our dear students for being disciplined and active participation. Last but not the least, a heartfelt thanks to the owner of Pandal, sound system, photography and videography, police for law and order, traffic police cell for maintaining traffic rules and parking. Thank you one and all.